Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here. I just got a new watch in today, about 15 minutes ago, and it is another OLEVS. Surprise, surprise. This particular watch is retailing right now on Amazon for $38, and there is currently a 10% off coupon on Amazon for this watch. And honestly, I like it. I just took it out of the package and I just sized it. Um, Very, very nice watch. You when you look at the die at the crystal, it has like I don't even know what to call that, but it's just it's like a pyramid type design on the crystal, which really looks nice. I really like this one. I It's a simple watch. It's a very simple watch, but it's God, I think it looks really, really nice. It's all gold. It's a good quality, just like OLEVS quality. It does have the butterfly clasp, which I'm not a huge fan of, but man, I don't know. I just really like this watch. This is really classy. I think I'll wear this out to dinner tonight. This will go really nice with a nice dress shirt, um, business casual, um, just dressing up. This is just a really, really nice watch. I'm really happy for this purchase, especially for the price. I mean, it's very simple. It does have that Rolex look to it. I don't know which Rolex this one would resemble if it were trying to copy a Rolex. But it's a very, very nice watch. I'm really happy with this one. Um, Once again, good quality with OLEVs. The only complaint I would possibly have is that I wish this were gold as well. Um, it's a stainless, but honestly, you don't see it when it's buckled. But that would be my only complaint, was that they would go completely gold on the entire watch. But but man, for the price, you can't complain with that. I mean, I really, really like it. Really, really sharp, sleek, simple design. Nice looking watch. It's not too big. Fits my wrist just right. Um, and you know, the only thing that I would have done better on this watch was I'm not a huge fan of these butterfly clasps. I just really am not. But but I do like the watch. Um, it does fit very nicely right where it's supposed to fit, and it does look like a really nice watch. I would definitely recommend this one. My only other watch that I have that would be comparable to this as far as the simplistic design would be the silver watch here. Um, Another simple design that would look nice, but I really like that crystal on this one, how it's got that pyramiding effect. It's a good quality watch. It feels solid. It was easy to change out the links. I did it in a matter of 5 minutes. This is my other gold OLEVS watch, which I really love this one as well. I just love both of these watches. Um, but yeah, just got this one about 15 minutes ago, and I will. Okay, why is it not focusing? Okay, and I will be wearing this one out this evening. Definitely, I'm happy with this purchase. So once again, you like my videos, give me the like, give me the subscribe, show me the love, so I can keep these videos coming to you. And if you like this watch as much as I like this watch, I will have a link in the description. Why is it taking so long to focus? if you like this watch as much as I like this watch, I will have a link in the description for you to purchase this exact watch through my affiliate link, and that also helps out, keeps this show going. And stay tuned for my next watches, because I'm getting a lot of new watches in all the time, and I will be doing reviews on all of them. So once again, this watch on Amazon right now, $38, and there is a 10% coupon right now on this watch, so you can get this exact same watch for $35. And I would highly recommend that you snag it at that price. It's a really nice watch. Having it in your hands, you can definitely feel the quality of this watch, and its simplistic design is really, it's a wonderful looking watch. So give that like button a hit, and subscribe, and jump on that affiliate link and pick up one of these watches right now for about 35 bucks. You can't go wrong. Okay, that's all. Dave the Watchman. I'm out. You have a great evening, and we'll see you next time.